Today, we're going to give your desktop a fantastic new look with a One Piece theme. Whether you're a seasoned pirate or new to the Grand Line, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's set sail. First, let's take a look at our plain, boring desktop. We can do better than this. We'll transfer it into a One Piece wonderland. Here's what we'll be doing. First, changing the wallpaper. Next, customizing desktop icons. Then adding a One Piece-themed Rainmeter skin and setting up a matching cursor pack. To get started, we need to download a few resources. That is Wallpaper, icons, Rainmeter skin, and a One Piece themed cursor pack. Let's start by changing our wallpaper. Right click on your desktop, then tap on Personalize. Then go to Background and click on Browse. And select the One Piece wallpaper you downloaded. After you've done it, next we'll customize our desktop icons. Extract the icon pack you downloaded. Right click on a desktop icon and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and click on Change Icon. Now browse to the folder with your One Piece icons and select the appropriate icon. Repeat this all for the icons you want to change. Now let's install Rainmeter. Open the installer you downloaded and follow the instructions. Once Rainmeter is installed, extract your One Piece Rainmeter skin. Then right-click on the Rainmeter icon in the system tray. Then go to Skins and then Manager. Click Open Folder to navigate to the Rainmeter Skins directory. Copy your One Piece skin folder into the directory, then go back to the Rainmeter Manager and refresh all. Your new skin should appear in the list. Finally, let's change our cursor. Extract the cursor pack you downloaded. Open the extracted folder and find the file with the .inf extension. Right-click on it and select Install. In the control panel, go to Mouse. Then on Pointer. Here you can choose your new One Piece cursor from the list. And there you have it, a fully customized One Piece themed desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment for more questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.